Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome to ATV Games. Now, we're back to playing some more Eyes. Now, I want to clarify that we're just doing one mode today because they have yet to release the level called School. I was going to wait very patiently until they released that level, which they said coming very soon, in quotations, coming very soon, and I got tired of waiting. So basically, like I said in the last video, there will be 2 more videos. There'll be, as far as I know, there'll be this video and then there'll be one more video, which will be the school level whenever that comes out. So today we're going to be playing Double Trouble mode. I've had requests all over the place asking me to play this mode, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I've never played it yet. I wanted to save it till I was going to record it, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. Alright guys, so Double Trouble mode, remember now, this is the Headless Woman and Charlie together. So instead of facing one creature, I'm facing 2. So wait, if I use the eyes, will that tell me where they're both at? Because that would help a lot. There's no eyes in here where I need them. Are you kidding me? No eyes in here either? So you're gonna tell me there's not gonna be any eyes hardly to find? I feel like I was contemplating going outside. I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait. Okay, they're following each other. Is it safe? Okay, I got an eye. I need to save that eye until I need it. Son of a... I don't know. Come on. I won't be able to get nowhere in this game if they keep popping up like that. Are you serious? How in the heck am I supposed to get out of here? So when I was hearing them, that was a glitch. It says there that you're downstairs. So you just glitched me again. Where are you at? Oh, you really are there. Come on, this is ridiculous. Every time I heard Charlie, he was not there. He was downstairs. Or somewhere else. And that's a load of Bolsheviki. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, now's my chance to at least get to that room over there. Okay. Okay. This is difficult, like really difficult. Because I already told you the lady takes forever to pass you, so now you got both of them, which takes extra longer. Today. All they do is linger. They're just like, I just want to be a friend. Just go away. Just go away. Today. Anytime today. Oh, so I'm glitching out. That's what's going on. Ah! Did you see that? Did you see that? I hit the eyes and one was upstairs and one was downstairs. And when I walked outside, they were right there. What does that tell you? That level needs some fixing. I'm not crazy. To the developers of this game, that level is buggy, as you can clearly see. Alright guys, that's the video for today. I promise you I got something really special planned that I'm going to be probably filming this weekend. So be prepared for that, because it's awesome if it does work out. And once the new level of Eyes comes out, I will record it, but it's just a matter of time when they do it. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time on ATV.